Hello everyone. Do you know what is a noun? Let's remember which you know. Join my channel and never miss our daily exciting lessons and fun quizzes. A noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, or thing. First, noun can name people. A teacher works at school. A doctor helps sick people. A student learns new things. Nouns can also name animals. A dog is a friendly animal. A bird can fly. Animals are nouns because they have names. Noun can name places. We go to school to study. We play in the park. Places are also nouns. Nouns can name things. A book helps us learn. A pencil helps us write. These words are nouns. In order to learn more interesting and useful lessons, please subscribe to my channel.